Hi everybody, this is a, a video of a ruko lock I bought. This is a D1200 lock. And I am recording this. This is a lock I bought for my own fun, to learn a bit more about locks and how the story goes of locks and the how do you call it, the safety protection in locks and stuff. This is a used lock I bought very cheaply. I didn't understand why this lock was a bit, it had like a seizure kind of feel to it when I rotated it. I can now say that I can see why. Hold on, I needed to have my screen on. As you can see, that's the first pin, and I can't retract my key now. I can't even, well, I can pull it back, but I can't get it out. And I'm a bit disappointed of these 1200 locks. These are the next safest locks Ruko makes. It's before the Mercury 401 and the Garant. These locks have no, it's just a simple lock with normal ASA spools in them, and their teeth are a bit funky. They have this cut shape to well, I hope I can focus it like that. You can see it's angled to fit the cutting of the teeth. There are not even a shroud on the casing. Well, maybe there is. I can't see it, but I can feel some kind of, how do you call it, like a groove, or my nail is like sticking on an edge, and I don't know if it comes out on the screen, but it has like a, hold on, right here it has an edge, and that's where my fingers are caught. But it doesn't look like it's, how do you call it, undercut and like a sleeve on it. And it doesn't have any sleeve. As you can see, that's the bottom of the key. So I'm a bit disappointed. Well, they have anti-drill, 3 anti-drill pins in them. That's a good thing, but I want to assemble this lock, and I want to attempt to see if I can pick it at some point, because I'm a bit disappointed actually. I thought it was more a more safe lock than it is. Well, from looking on it, and all these ASA pins are the same, which sucks. Well, anyway, that's just an update for anyone who hasn't seen any one of these D1200. Let me put the screen on so I can I hope you can see. It says Ruko ASA Abloy Series 1200. So I want to attempt to pull the key out and see if I can make it. By the way, if you ever want to disassemble one of these, make yourself a ring. I made a ring of a nail that I had to grind down to a 1.3 millimeter thickness, and then bend it around so you can slide out without getting caught in this groove. Because these ASA pins, if they get caught up in that groove, you'll have a heck of a time pulling it out or putting it back in. So and you can't sleeve it like, well, you can't put a, I don't know what they're called, that you put on the outside, because it's the same diameter out here and in here. So you have a hell of getting the shit assembled. Okay, enough babbling from me. Thanks for watching. I hope this this can bring you any learning, and maybe for those who haven't seen any ruko locks or D1200, maybe this will help you get wiser. Bye.